hi there. You want to make sure that you're in Google Chrome before you go to Destiny. You're going to go to Letty Dent, come down to Coding, Animate Your Name, and then you'll see Starter Project. Right-click on that and say Open in New Tab. So you should see your animated name in 2 different tabs. Okay? Now, what you want to do is hit Sign In here. Okay? You're going to be a student. Enter a class code. Your class code is J7BGP9. Submit. What you have to do, yes, yes, yes. And what you have to do is write down the username and password that they're giving you on the sheet that Ms. Taylor gives you. This and this. Write that down. Okay? Click I'm done, and you're going to log in with that right here. Use that CS to whatever the rest of it was. Okay? Put in that password, hit sign in. It's going to take you back to the video that you were just looking at. Watch that video and have your work pad next to you. And the way you do that is you are going to, come on in, you are going to minimize this screen, and so you'll be able to work side by side. So let's see. You have this guy, and you'll have this guy here, and then you can pause the video and go back to doing your work. If you feel frustrated, make sure you're watching the video. Here's how you add a sprite. Click here, go to letters, and this is how you're going to find letters for your name. And my first name is April, so there's my A. And then I'm going to go over to the side, and there's a little OK button that I can't see right here, but you will see it over to the right. Click OK, and then it's going to enter it onto your workspace. All right, Miss Taylor can guide you in this, and you will be able to log into Scratch. Upper right-hand corner, please use the username and password that you just had generated from Google's computer science, the one you wrote down on your sheet. That's how you will log into Scratch. And then you're going to go up to the top where it says Remix. That's how you'll save it, friends. Let me go here so you can definitely see. Here's where I'm adding. And I hit OK. There it is. And when I want to save, I will have signed in here. And there's going to be something up here that says Remix. Click that. That's how you save it. All right? I look forward to seeing your awesome projects. Have fun.